Welcome back friends. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 1745 monotonic array. So this problem was asked in one of the past Facebook interviews, as you can see here. So let's just solve this problem. So an array is monotonic if it is either monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. An array A is monotone increasing if all I is less than equal to j and ai is less than equal to aj. An array A is monotone decreasing if for all I is less than equal to j, ai is greater than equal to aj. Return true if and only if the given array A is monotone, otherwise return false. So as they have given us two examples here. So as you can see, monotone increasing means the array is in increasing fashion, right? As you can see here, 1, 2, 2, 3. So the numbers are increasing basically. So that one is, for example, let's just take this example here. So here this one is a monotone increasing array, right? Because numbers are increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is also monotone array, but this is monotone decreasing, right? So this one is called as increasing, monotone increasing, and this one is called as monotone decreasing array. So there are two types. So if any of that is true, then we have to return true, right? So let's just say that we have been given array, like let's say this 1 2 3 4 is our input array, and we have to decide if it is a monotone array or not, right? So what we will do to solve this problem is we are going to sort this array first, right? So this is our input array. So let me just change the color now. So so let's first sort this array. So sorted array will also look like same, right? Sorted array will look like same as input array. And what we will do is we will start iterating this sorted array, and then we will make a comparison, right? So this one is the given input array. So if this is a increasing monotone increasing array, right? So what we will do is we will also take the corresponding monotone decreasing array, right? So in that case, in monotone decreasing array, it will be like this, right? 4, 3, 2 and 1, right? So this is a monotone decreasing array. This one is increasing and this one is decreasing. So now after sorting, what we will do is we will take this first number and we will make sure that either this number or this number, it is matching with one of these numbers, right? If it does not match, then we will return false in that case. So now as you can see, this one is matching with this one, this 2 is matching with this 2, this 3 is matching with this 3, and this 4 is matching with this 4, right? So that is how we will know that this one is a monotone array, right? So this one is a monotone increasing array. So let's take another example where we will have a monotone decreasing array, and we will just make sure that our approach still work for the other decreasing array, right? So let me just move this little bit, and I can create another array here which is monotone decreasing. So let's say our monotone decreasing is 8, then sorry 10, then 8, then 6, and then 4. This one is our input array. Now we have to decide if it is a monotone or not, right? So as I said, we will first sort this array, right? So sorted array will look like this. After sorting, this array will look like this, right? 4, 6, 8 and 10. So this one after sorting, and we know that this one we have to take the reverse order, right? If this is decreasing, this is decreasing, we have to take another number which is increasing. So if we take increasing here, the increasing array will look like this: 4, 6, 8 and 10, right? For this one. So when we are comparing this sorted array now, so one of these numbers should match, right? One of these numbers, these two numbers should match with this sorted array number, right? So as you can see, 4 here is matching, 4 here is matching with this 4, so we are good. 6 here is matching with this 6, so we are good. 8 here is matching with this 8, so we are good. And 10 here is matching with this 10. So we are good. So this one is a monotone array, so we will just return true in this case, right? Now let's take one negative example where it is not a monotone array. Then we will know how our approach is working fine for that test case as well, right? So let's take another array which is not monotone array, right? So let us say, for example, 10, then 8, then 12, and then 6, right? So this one is not monotone array, as you can see it. So first thing we will do is we will sort this array, right? So the sorted array, and this one will be different array, right? So sorted array will be different array then, so we will not modify original array, right? So this sorted array is a different array, so it will look like 6, 8, 10 and 12 will be the sorted array. And as I said, it is different than original array, so we are not changing or modifying the original array. So what we will do is, if we like uh, keep comparing this number with the so the opposite numbers will be like this, right, of the sorted array. So it will be 12, 10 and then 8 and then 6, right? So this one will be opposite. So now we have to go one by one and we have to check if the numbers, these one of them should match, right? So now 6 is itself is not matching is in any of these numbers, so which means that this is not a monotone array, so we will return false here basically, right? So this is the approach to solve the problem. So as you can see, this is the implementation. We just clone the array, original array to B, and then we are sorting the B, and here is our for loop where we are looping and checking the array A, right? So we are checking if array A, if it is not equal to B of I, or it is not equal to like reversed B, basically reversed B, right? So this one is the B and this one is the reverse B, right? This is reversed array basically, 12, 10, 8, 6, and here 6, 8, 10, 12, right? So this is reversed array. So if none of them, like if both are not matching, in that case this is also not matching and this is also not matching, so at least one should match. If no one is matching, then it means that it is not a monotonous array, so we will return false in that case. And we will check for all the elements in the array A, and at the end, if everything matches, we will return true. So that is the way we can solve monotone array problem, which is asked by Facebook in their interviews. So sorting will take n log n, and this one is taking n time, so the overall complexity, time complexity, is n log n for this one. um, so please check my other LeetCode solutions playlist. It has over 100 solved problems explained with examples and Java code, and Java interview playlist, which has frequently asked Java interview questions. So check it out. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, because your subscription is really important. This is the way the video can reach to more people and they can get the help if they are preparing for Java interview. So please subscribe it. Thanks for watching.